Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nicole and I make Dungeons & Dragons miniatures and other fantasy stuff. Sorry about the reflection on my glasses, that's just how it is. Look, I got some new earrings. Something exciting is happening this week, and I'm sure that, if you are a fan of video games, then you will know exactly what I'm talking about, and that is that Kingdom Hearts 3 is finally coming out after, at least a decade. So, to celebrate that Kingdom Hearts is finally coming out, I am making a Heartless miniature. Personally, I have not played Kingdom Hearts yet, and I'm very sorry, please don't at me. I'm making it from scratch, so I need to make an armature, and then I need to sculpt it, and then paint it, and yeah, so let's just get right to it. Alright, so the armature is done, which is great. I was going to try to do the antennas on it with the rest of the armature, but I think I'm going to add the antennas after and put them into the putty. Hopefully that works out. It's got a good shape so far though, so I think I know where it's going. I know I have to also give him fingers. That'll be interesting. Hopefully they don't end up being too thick, but I mean, hey, this is a learning experience, so I guess we're learning things. Alright, now usually I would put in the oven now while the first skin is on it, but I want to try to put the little antennas and the fingers on it, so I might just sculpt the whole thing and then just bake it all at once. I'm gonna try that. Okay, I think that was a good idea, because if I bake the skin on first, I don't think it would look right if I tried to add the antennas and fingers after. So yes, I think I'm glad I did that. So we're gonna bake it now, and then we're gonna prime it, and then we're gonna paint it. I think a Heartless is supposed to just be like a shadow. I am using Stuart Semple's Black 2.0, and hopefully that makes it look really, really black and really, really matte and like a hole, like a void. I'm not adding shadows and highlights to this because it wouldn't make sense to really give him highlights if he's supposed to be like a void. Also, fun story. I think I probably told this story on the channel before, but there's a whole thing with Stuart Semple and Anish Kapoor. Someone made Vanta Black, which is like the blackest black pigment known to anyone. It absorbs like 99% of all light or something and literally just looks like a hole. And as an artist, that's freaking cool because nothing is actually black, you know what I mean? It's shiny or glossy or it's just not black. You can't have black, except that they made Vanta Black. Now the thing about that is that you have to grow it on it or something. I don't know, there's a weird science thing. And Anish Kapoor, who is a very famous artist, he did I think it's called The Cloud. It's like a big silvery bean thing in the States somewhere. He decided to buy it so that no one else could use it ever. And that's not cool. So Stuart Semple decided to make a bunch of paints, and he made Black 2.0, and he made it so that it was pretty much as good as Vanta Black. It's not dangerous to use. You can literally just paint it, and he made it so that everyone except Anish Kapoor could buy it. So thank you to Stuart Semple. So anyway, rant over. I'm just gonna show you what this guy looks like. So here we go right now, a Heartless miniature from Kingdom Hearts. Oh my god, look at this guy on camera. He is so cool. Okay, anyways, this is my Heartless miniature. I hope you like him. He's pretty sweet looking. I like his little eyes and how dark he is. I think I will have to get some smaller wire so that I can make like tinier fingers and antennas in the future, but you know what? He turned out pretty cool. I like him a lot. And I hope you liked watching me make it. If you liked the video, please like the video. Remember to check out my website, NicoleBroussard.com, if you want to see all the other minis that I've made so far. And yeah, hit subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!